Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cloud storage with Amazon Web Services. Specifically, we'll be uploading a static website to an AWS S3 bucket. If you're looking for a cost-effective and scalable solution for hosting your static website, AWS S3 is the way to go. Let's get started. So what exactly is AWS S3? Amazon Simple Storage Service, or S3, is a cloud storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. This makes it ideal for storing and retrieving any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Before we dive in, let's go over the prerequisites. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need 1. An existing AWS account. 2. A static website ready to be uploaded. If you don't have an AWS account yet, head over to aws.amazon.com and sign up. If you need to create a static website, you can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build one. What is a static website? Now let's quickly understand what a static website is. Unlike dynamic websites that require server-side scripting and databases to generate content dynamically, static websites consist of fixed content. They are fast, easy to create, and perfect for simple web pages, portfolios, or informational sites. Examples of static content include HTML files, CSS style sheets, images, and JavaScript files. All right, let's get started with uploading our static website to AWS S3. First, go to the AWS console webpage and click Sign into the console. Choose Root User. Type in the root user email address and click the Next button. Type in your password and click Sign In button. Enter your multi-factor authentication code. Click the Submit button. In the search box, type S3. Click on Buckets in the S3 section. Click on Create Bucket. Enter a bucket name like ICRA Tech Solution 23. Uncheck Block All Public Access under the Block Public Access settings for this bucket. Scroll down and click Create Bucket. Click on the bucket name. Click on the Properties link. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Edit button under Static Website Hosting. Click on the Enable Radio button for static website hosting. Type index.html in the edit box under the index document section. Scroll down and click Save. Click on the Permissions link. Scroll down and click on the Edit button under Bucket Policy. Copy the following policy under the Bucket Policy section to ensure your website is accessible to the public. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Click on the Objects link. Click on the Upload button. Drag and drop your static website files into the S3 bucket. Ensure all files are copied successfully into the S3 bucket. Scroll down and click on Upload. It may take some time to upload. Click on index.html. Click on the object URL to view your website. Your website is now live and accessible to everyone. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your static website to AWS S3. AWS S3 offers a reliable and scalable solution for hosting static websites with minimal setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.